A hearty welcome to all our viewers. In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of social media marketing. This isn't just about sharing holiday snaps or what you ate for breakfast. It's a powerful tool that can help businesses reach billions of people worldwide. Social media marketing can boost visibility, increase engagement, and drive sales. It's an essential part of the digital world, shaping how we communicate, share information, and even make purchasing decisions. Now hold on to your seats as we embark on this enlightening journey. Firstly, knowing your audience is the key to any successful marketing campaign. So, why is understanding your target audience so crucial? Well, it's like trying to hit a bullseye while blindfolded. If you don't know where your target is, your efforts are likely to be wasted. The first step is identifying who your audience is. Think about who would be interested in your product or service. Consider their age, location, gender, income level, and even their hobbies. These factors can significantly influence their buying decisions. Once you've identified your potential customers, it's time to delve deeper. Understand their needs and preferences. Ask yourself, what are their pain points? What problems are they trying to solve? And how can your product or service meet their needs? Social media is a treasure trove of information. By observing your audience's online behavior, you can gain valuable insights into their preferences. What kind of content do they engage with? Which influencers do they follow? What are they saying about your competitors? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your content to resonate with them. This increases the likelihood of engagement and ultimately conversions. But remember, understanding your audience is not a one-time task. People's needs and preferences change over time. So, it's essential to continually monitor your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, a well-defined target audience is the first step towards a successful social media marketing strategy. Having identified your audience, the next step is to choose the right social media platforms. Now, there's a veritable smorgasbord of social media platforms out there, each with its unique user base and way of sharing content. Let's start with Facebook, the granddaddy of them all. It's got a massive, diverse user base, making it a great platform for almost any business. Instagram, owned by Facebook, is a visually focused platform popular with younger users. If your business leans towards the creative, artistic, or lifestyle sectors, Instagram might be your bag. Next, we have Twitter. It's a fast-paced platform that excels in real-time communication. It's ideal for brands that have things to say frequently and appreciate the art of brevity. Then there's LinkedIn, the professional network. If your business is B2B or focuses on professional services, LinkedIn could be your go-to platform. Let's not forget YouTube, a video-sharing platform with a wide-ranging audience. If you're up for creating video content, YouTube can be a powerful tool. Pinterest, meanwhile, is a platform that focuses on discovery and allows users to find ideas for a variety of topics. It's a great platform if your target audience is primarily women and your business is in sectors like fashion, design, or DIY. TikTok, the new kid on the block, is a platform for short, creative videos and is immensely popular with younger audiences. If you're targeting the youth demographic, TikTok is a platform you can't afford to ignore. Choosing the right platform isn't about being everywhere. It's about being where your audience is. Understand the demographics of each platform and align it with your target audience. For instance, if you're targeting professionals in their 30s and 40s, LinkedIn might be a better choice than TikTok. Remember, each platform has its unique style of content and interaction. So choose platforms that not only reach your audience but also align with your content strategy and business style. Choosing the right platform can significantly increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Scene script. Content is the heart of social media marketing. So, how do you create engaging content? Well, it's all about understanding your audience, their interests, their needs, and their language. Engaging content is not just about selling your products or services, it's about providing value, sparking conversations, and building relationships. Now let's take a look at different forms of content. Text-based content is a staple for any social media platform, and it's a great way to communicate information. However, it's also important to diversify and incorporate other forms of content, such as images, videos, GIFs, infographics, and even podcasts. These can make your content more engaging and appealing to different segments of your audience. Creating engaging content also involves being creative and innovative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content types, styles, and formats. Use humor, ask questions, share stories, or provide tips and advice. Remember, the goal is to engage your audience, not to bombard them with sales pitches. As you create content, one key tip is to focus on quality over quantity. It's better to post one high-quality piece of content per week than 7 low-quality posts. High-quality content is more likely to be shared, liked, and commented on, all of which can help increase your reach and engagement. Another crucial aspect of creating engaging content is consistency. Consistency in your posting schedule helps keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your next post. It also helps to establish your brand as a reliable source of information or entertainment. But remember, consistency is not just about frequency. It's also about maintaining a consistent voice, style, and message across all your content. This helps to reinforce your brand identity and build trust with your audience. So to sum it up, creating engaging content involves understanding your audience, being creative, focusing on quality, and maintaining consistency. It's about building relationships and providing value, not just promoting your products or services. Remember, content is king. Create content that resonates with your audience and you'll see your engagement rates soar. Social media tools can greatly enhance your marketing efforts. Let's explore how. In the vast landscape of social media, it's crucial to have the right tools at your disposal. These tools can help streamline your processes, manage your time more efficiently, and provide valuable insights to improve your strategy. Firstly, consider using tools for scheduling posts. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to plan your content calendar in advance and post at optimal times for your audience. Imagine the convenience of setting up a week's worth of posts in one sitting. Next, there are tools designed to track your analytics. These tools, such as Sprout Social and Google Analytics, offer you a deep dive into your performance metrics. They help you understand which content resonates with your audience, when your followers are most active, and how your campaigns are performing. This kind of data can be invaluable in shaping a successful social media strategy. Lastly, managing multiple social media accounts can be a daunting task, but tools like CoSchedule and Later make it easier by allowing you to control all your accounts from a single dashboard. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain a consistent brand voice across platforms. In conclusion, social media tools are not just optional add-ons, they are essential components of a robust social media strategy. They offer you the convenience of scheduling, the power of data analytics, and the ease of managing multiple accounts. Leveraging these tools can save you time and help you make data-driven decisions. Lastly, measuring your success is crucial to understand the effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. It's like sailing a ship without a compass if you're not keeping track of your progress. But worry not, because almost all social media platforms provide you with built-in tools for this very purpose. Let's start with the basics. Engagement metrics are your first port of call. They show you how your audience is interacting with your content. Look at likes, shares, comments, and clicks. Are people engaging with your posts? Are they sharing your content with their own followers? If so, you're on the right track. Next, we have reach and impressions. Reach refers to the number of unique users who have seen your content, while impressions measure the total number of times your content has been displayed, regardless of clicks. If these numbers are rising, it means your content is getting out there. Now let's talk about website traffic. If you're directing your followers to a website or a blog, you'll want to monitor the number of visits coming from social media. Are people clicking through to your website? If they are, it's a good sign they're interested in more than just your posts. Lastly, follower growth is a simple yet effective metric. A growing follower count indicates that your content is attracting new people, which is always a good thing. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. So keep an eye on your metrics and continuously optimize your strategy. And that, dear viewers, is a brief overview of how to start with social media marketing. Today we've journeyed through understanding your target audience, selecting the right platforms, crafting engaging content, and utilizing potent social media tools. We also touched on how to measure your success. If you wish to delve deeper into this topic, look in the description for more resources. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, and if we've earned your support, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.